Hey guys, welcome to Addictive channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to install Among Us and run in PC. So let's go to browser, Chrome browser, and right here, BlueStacks. First one, click on BlueStacks. This link, download BlueStacks in your PC. After download, run it. Sorry, I'm cutting this thing here from G there. Now just double click on the file and open it. Yes. Install now and wait to install. I agree. It is installing. Hold on. Okay, so after complete installation, it will be here in your device. Then it will pause your PC, continue, antivirus will check. Hold on. Okay. So it's installed, I guess. Let's open it now. Double click. It's opening. Hold on. It's opened already. Now click on OK. OK. Again. Now you'll find here Google Play Store. Click on this and settings, home. You all will be finding here. Okay, ignore this. Sorry. I'm going again. Double click and open. Now you'll find here one thing. All of the games of Play Store will be finding here. Now how you can run Among Us. Right here, Among Us, and you can find this game here. Just click on this and make it install in your device. Click on install and it will be installed in your device and you can play here. Okay guys, so I'm showing you the basic tutorial for this. I'm cancelling. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.